going towards the object. Circle is gonna go toward it, but who knows what's going on here. This is kind of weird. The helicopter is going toward it now. Look, the helicopter is going toward it, Julian. The helicopter is going toward it now. It's checking it out. It's like, what's going on? The helicopter circling it. There's nothing really. There's nothing holding it down, though. That's the thing. There's nothing holding it down. UFO in West Covina, San Gabriel Valley. Helicopter is circling it. What's today, Monday, Julian? Like a what? Eyeball? Yeah. Looks like a big eyeball.